So for today's lesson we are going to start using our rhythms and we're going to turn them into a piece of music. So just taking the values of soup equaling 2, tea equaling 1, both halves of coffee equaling 1, so half plus a half, and then all 4 notes of drinking chocolate with the 2 lines across the top, so 4 times a quarter is also 1. We're going to take them into this sheet and you are going to write your 4 beat rhythms like we did last lesson, and you are doing 4 different ones. So I can take tea, drinking chocolate, tea, coffee as one, and make sure they add up to 4 beats. So I've got 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, so that works. I could do coffee, soup, drinking chocolate with 2 lines across the top. 1, add 2, add 1 equals 4. 1 in the bottom here. Coffee, coffee, tea, tea. And then another one in the 4th box. Drinking chocolate, coffee. You're going to do these slower than me, so make sure they are neat. Here, coffee, tea. So 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. Once you've done that, press save and it'll save to Google Classroom. And then you are going to go on to GarageBand and we're going to start making our own piece. So we're going to go find GarageBand. You're going to press the plus to create a new one, or where it says create document or create song. You're going to scroll across and onto the drums tab, and at the bottom of it, it says acoustic drums. So you click on acoustic drums and it will come up like an actual drum kit. So I'm going to go back to my first rhythm, coffee, soup, drinking chocolate, and I'm going to do that on my drum kit and I'm going to spread it around. So coffee, soup, drinking chocolate. I need to make sure that my metronome at the top, this triangle with the little stick where it's going to be blue, so next to your volume button there's a little triangle with a stick, and that has to be blue, so it's going to tick at you. And then I'm going to press the red record button right in the middle. First of all, I'm going to slow it down because it's very, very fast at the moment. So I'm going to click on this spanner at the top right hand side. Yours is a round little cog. And I'm going to click on tempo. And then going to turn it down to anywhere between 80 and 90 is fine for this project. And then I'm ready to record. So turn your tempo down and then record. I'm going to go coffee, soup, drinking chocolate, and then press stop. If you noticed at the top, I've got this little brick wall button that's appeared that looks like a brick wall next to the squares. If I click on that, it will come up with my rhythm. My rhythm should stop at the number 2. If it doesn't, double tap and delete it, go back into your instrument and re-record it. Coffee, soup, drinking chocolate, and then press stop into my brick wall and it stops at the number 2. I'm then going to double tap and loop it. I'm now ready to do my second rhythm. So I click the plus at the bottom left hand side, bottom left, and I add another acoustic drum kit. I go back to my sheet, and my rhythm was tea, drinking chocolate, tea, coffee. And I can change my drum kit if I want to. Any drum kit is fine. Put my arrow up here at the number 1 right at the start and press record. Tea, drinking chocolate, tea. So that was kind of a bit too much, so I'm going to have another go. Tea, drinking chocolate, tea, coffee. And then brick wall. I'm going to double tap and loop that. And you want 4 drum kits in total. 1, 2, and then another 2 below. when you finish recording, you can go in, if you get time, you can do a trick called quantization, and quantization makes it all go on the beat. So what you do for that is you double tap on the green line and click settings, and you go to quantization. So this one's already done it for me, but if you only had teas in there, you would have it on a quarter. If you had teas and coffees, it would be on an eighth. And if you've got a drink in chocolate, it will be on a 16th. If it's not on when it says none, you can go in and put your own in, and it will put all of your piece and all of your notes on the beats that you need them on to. So what it should sound like after you've done it all, I'll just quickly do my two. A double tap and loop that one, and then my last one I'm going to have on, let's have a Chinese kit. Double tap and loop that. So there's on 4 of my things. You should have time to do at least a couple of them this lesson.